Welcome everyone. We look into a new vector database called as Pinecone. As you can see here, this is one of the most used vector databases that is on the bus. Open source. It is can be cloud as well as it can be uh, on. You can host it as well. And the way it works is you can just go to Pinecone. You can get once you log in, you get started. You get your API keys that are here. When you go to account, you will have your API keys here, so you can keep the API key, and you can use it in your Google Colab. So this I will show you as well how to get started quickly in this quick video. Here we are just doing the pip install llama index and the llama index vector store Pinecone. After we do this particular thing, let me just hide output. Then we are putting the keys here. Let me just run this one by one, and we will see how it works. So just before this video, I just did a quick test. So we are importing this basic ones. Then we are putting the API key for OpenAI, because we are using their embedding model. So many people get confused between an embedding model and a vector store. So embedding converts the text to number, and embedding does it. So delete it if needed. So sorry for this. So I already created this. This step is not required if you are already doing it for the first time. I did it just because I have created this index, and I delete it just to run it again. So what I can see here, can you see the name? The dimension is 1536. This is the dimension of the this particular vector databases, and it is using equivalent distance. It is using by default AWS and US East 1 that is there. So then what I can do is I just start this particular thing, pc.index quick start. I load the dependencies that are there. Then I load the data, I make a directory, and I load this. Paul Graham is a scientist. His essay is loaded to this directory. So if you want to go here, and once you click this directory, you can see data, and you will see first I've created the data, then I'm going to load this data here. So now you can see Paul Graham has come here. So I created the data, I loaded the data with Paul Graham essay text, and now I'm using my vector database to store it and to index it, this specific document. So this is what I'm doing. So it will take a couple of minutes. It created 22 different indexes that are there, and let me first test it out. I'm going to ask this question, what is this document about, and it is going to answer. So let me run this again. What is this document about? And it will just give a response. So what is this? Let me just run it again. Maybe there is some delay. This document is about experiences and reflection of author, including insights into the writing process, career choice. So it is given details. If I go here, if I go to quick start, if you can see that we have this this particular thing created, quick start. If you want to open it, you can see, as you mentioned, there were 22 records, and if you want to see a specific record, it looks like this. So it is lot of numbers. Someone was asking, I want to see how it looks. There are around 15,036 numbers, and this is the 22 different you can say nodes where this data has been saved in, and you can see this. So this is how to play around and start using Pinecone for a vector database. You just need to use with llama index. The beauty of llama index is you can use llama index, you can use any vector store like Pinecone, do some little bit of coding, connect it together, and you load the document. If you can see here, the step that I just did here is loading the document inside using simple directory loader, directory reader, and put whatever is in the document. It can be a PDF, it can be a text. It has been stored here, and you can see it is stored in such a way. It is stored in AWS US East 1 serverless. So this is the power of Pinecone. Do try it. Do like and subscribe the video, and for more updates, let me know in the comments how did you enjoy this video.
And begin your journey toward AI-enabled excellence. Transform your AI strategy. Transform your leadership. Transform your future.